In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your LinkedIn profile URL to your email signature in Outlook. This is a handy trick that can spruce up your professional emails and make it easier for your contacts to connect with you on LinkedIn. So, let's dive right in. First off, to get started, let's head over to Microsoft Outlook. Open up your web browser and navigate to Microsoft Outlook's website. Once you arrive, you'll want to focus on the top right-hand corner of the page. There, you should spot a Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll need to enter your email and password to log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your main email page, and this is where the real fun begins. In the top right again, you'll notice a settings icon, which often resembles a small gear. Click on that gear icon, and you'll see a menu with several options. From this menu, choose the account option. This will take you to a screen where you can manage different settings for your account. Now, in the account section, look for that signatures option and give that a click. You're now inside the signatures pane, the place where this magic transformation happens. Within this space, you'll see a blank area where you can either edit your existing signature or start fresh with a new one. It's here that you'll paste your LinkedIn URL. But first, you'll need to visit your LinkedIn profile page, and once there, copy the URL directly from your browser's address bar. Return to Outlook and paste that URL into the body of the email signature. After pasting the link, it's a good idea to add a little context to encourage your email recipients to connect with you on LinkedIn. Consider writing something inviting, like, "Connect with me on LinkedIn," right before the URL. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time for the final touch. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom right of the screen. Click it, and there you have it. Your LinkedIn profile is now elegantly part of your email signature in Outlook and is ready to be shared every time you send an email. This addition might seem small, but it's a powerful way to enhance your professional branding. Remember, it provides an easy route for your connections to reach out and network with you. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully integrated your LinkedIn profile into your Outlook email signature with just a few simple steps. If you're using Google Workspace instead, don't worry. Stay tuned for a future video where I'll guide you through those specific steps. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting.